ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm going to tell you how you can make another user account in your window. For this, type control panel in the search bar. Open the control panel. Now click on user account. Now click on user account again. Now click on manage another account. Just make sure that the account you are logged in is an administrator account, so you can make another account through this. Click on manage another account. Now click on add a new user in PC setting. Before creating the new user, make sure that your internet is not connected. Turn off your Wi-Fi and click on the add someone else on this PC. Now click here the username. Enter the password if you want. Now re-enter the password. Now these are the security questions in case you forget your password and want to recover it. Select the questions you want and type the answer here. And click on next. Now you can see that your account is created here. After creating the user account, you can simply turn on your internet and use it as you want. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.